all-in-one formula to correct, polish, wax, and protect your vehicle's paint. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax uses precision polishing agents to remove oxidation, scratches, and swirls up to 1500 grit, while coating the surface with ceramic-infused, super hydrophobic synthetic wax and SiO2 polymers for deep, mirror-like gloss and chemical protection that lasts months. Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax is easily applied either by hand with a microfiber towel or foam applicator or by machine. If more defect removal is needed, use a firm cutting pad on your machine. For less cut but higher shine and protection, apply with a medium pad. Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax allows for adjustable performance in one product. While it's necessary to start work with a freshly washed vehicle, it's not necessary but for best results recommended to use the clay bar to first remove heavier surface grit and contaminants as not to clog your towel or buffing pad. This non-dusting, high-action oil-based compound allows for a little product to go a long way. Thus, when spread, a thin layer of product is all that's needed to complete work. Working with roughly a 2 by 2 foot section, expanding with expertise and comfort, first spread evenly with a firm corner of your microfiber towel or full foam applicator, or at a slow speed with your machine and pad. From here, work in semi-firm, back and forth, or circular overlapping motions until desired results are achieved. To check results and to clean any final residue, activate the shine polymers by wiping the area with a clean, damp microfiber towel and follow with a dry microfiber if necessary. Continue this process for the entirety of the vehicle's paint to be corrected and treated. Then, allow 24 hours to cure before washing or adding additional wax or coatings. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax, the all-in-one solution to bring months of amazing clarity, shine, and protection back to your vehicle's surface. And to help maintain that deep corrected shine, coat your paint with Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating, the most durable Hybrid Solutions protection that lasts up to 12 months.